Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and switch plans on Headspace. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To switch your Headspace plan, you may need to let your current subscription expire by disabling auto renewal and then purchase the new plan. For direct upgrades, especially to the family plan, you can upgrade directly online and may receive a prorated credit. If your plan is through an employer or insurance, you can manage changes in your account settings in the app. So for the direct subscription upgrade, all you need to do is disable auto renewal. So go to your subscription management page and turn off the auto renewal for your current plan. Wait for the expiration and then simply go ahead and purchase your new plan when you have chosen a new plan. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on